A common misconception is that once a hard lid is fitted, they are hard to remove and reinstall when your load is too big for the lid. We're going to show that our lids have been designed to be removed and reinstalled in a matter of minutes due to our quick pin release system. The removal of our lids can be achieved in under 1 minute. The process of removing the lid can be done in 3 simple steps. Begin by disconnecting the 2 struts. Unplug the wiring connected to the hard lid. Remove the quick release pins as shown. And just like that, the lid is removed in under 60 seconds, allowing you to fill your tub up with whatever you want. For more information on HSP 4x4 products, head to www.hsputelids.com.